Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So for this video I will be using the GAN 356M, and before I start teaching you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube, we will have to learn some formulas first. So the first formula, I call it the right formula. So basically you take the right side and then you put it up, left, down, right, 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 up, left, down, right. So as you guys can see, the formula, it actually solved my Rubik's Cube, but it only gets solved when the cube is solved. So if you do the formula when it's scrambled, no, it will not solve your Rubik's Cube. So don't think that it will get solved. Don't let that trick you. It will only get solved if it's already solved and you do the formula. So the other formula is what I like to call the Papa Nicholas. So the Papa Nicholas is basically when you get the right side up, then you go left, then the left side goes up, then right, then the right side goes down, then you make a right on the top, then you put the left side down. So as you guys can see, I told you guys that if you use like another formula, it will not get it solved, even if you have it solved. So I'm going to solve it really quickly and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so let's start solving the cube. And to solve the cube, I'm going to have to, you can like unsolve, like scramble the cubes, move it around everywhere. Alright, so this looks pretty scrambled. So what you're going to want to do, the first step is making the daisy. So you're going to want to find the yellow centerpiece, and you're going to want to find the white middle pieces of the like vertical lines. So you're going to want to find these, and basically to form the daisy, it's very simple. You just have to use logic. Like for example, a daisy, it's basically like it's yellow in the middle and has petals. So the petals will be white and they will be over here, 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 and here. So as you can see, we found 2 petals, and so we got 1 petal. And to get this petal over here, we're just gonna wanna turn this. And when you turn that, you can get the other petal. So if you get these white corners, that's okay, it's no problem. You're gonna want to find, just look around, look for another petal, and you found another petal, and make sure it's lined up to the petal you want to get into. So if, for example, if it's not lined up, as you can see, we're gonna check if it's lined up. See, if it's not lined up, then basically you're gonna want to find the spot where you need it to be lined up. You're gonna go down and you found the spot. So now you're just gonna move it to where you need it to be and move it up 2 times. Now, when you make the daisy, you're gonna wanna attach these centerpieces to its colors, to its centerpieces. So green is already there, attached to its green piece. So you're gonna wanna move it down 2 times and until it reaches the white part. And now you're gonna wanna continue. So red. Gonna move it to red, 1, 2, orange, 1, 2, then blue, 1, 2. So now you have a white cross. Now you're gonna wanna solve these corners, the 4 corners, and to do that, you're gonna wanna find each corner. Like for this corner, see, I found a white corner. So basically, when you're solving it, you're gonna want to make sure that the colors that you find are according. So basically you have orange here and there's orange here. You have blue here and you have blue here. So when you solve it, these corner pieces will be aligned up, and then when you solve all the white, then there will be like a whole line that will be solved. Also, and the white side will also be all solved. So basically, to get this white piece over here, you're gonna want to do the right formula. As you can see, that right formula, it got us both the corners, the orange corner and the blue corner, and you also have the white corner solved. See, now you're just gonna want to do this for everyone. So see, we have a white corner over here and you have blue and red, so you're gonna move it to blue and red, and then you're gonna do the same formula, but see, it could be in different places. So if it's over here on the side, basically it's going to be easier for you to solve. So you're just going to go up and push it to the middle piece and put it back down. So basically, to solve a Rubik's Cube, you just need to have logic. It's easy. It's not really hard. And you see, if you have a white piece here, you're going to make sure it's at the right color. So red, you have red right here. Green, you have green right here. And then you're going to want to solve it with the right formula. Easy at that. It's as easy as that. So now we got the last corner. As you can see, orange is at orange, green is at green. And so you're going to do the right formula. And there you go. You have the whole white face solved. And you got a whole bottom layer of all the colors solved. So now we're going to move on to solving these two middle pieces. So then we will have two solved rows for each, and you might have one already solved, which is good for you. So basically what you're gonna want to do is that, for example, if you want to get it here, if you want to get the middle piece over here, you're going to push it to the left, then you want to bring the right side up, then you're going to make a right, then put it the right side down, then you're going to push the right again, then you're going to want to pick it up from here, so the left side from here, then reattach the white to its place and bring it back down. And as you can see, the orange part we had is now in its place. So now you're going to want to do the same thing, and so to add it to the right place, you're gonna have to put the color piece over here like I showed you guys. But to put it onto the left side, you're gonna want to do the same thing, but just shift it to the left side to solve this side, and you're gonna want to do the same thing. And there you go, you got it solved. So now we have a blue piece, solve the blue piece. And once you learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, this will all be very easy for you. And because I already showed you guys all the steps, you guys can do it. So basically, to solve this side, we're gonna wanna get the orange piece to the left, then up, right, down, right, left side goes up, then make a left, then down. As you can see, we solved it again. So you guys will have some extra like spots that are not solved, but it's okay. You're just gonna want to keep on going, because that's how it is. Like, it'll become unsolved, but you keep on solving it and it'll still work. Until it all works out. And you can see we have the bottom layer and the middle layer all solved. So now we'll be attaching these center pieces to its right colors. As you can see, it's not the right colors. Yellow is up here, there's no orange. Yeah, so we're gonna be attaching it. And so to do this step, you're gonna wanna have at least two colors that are actually on their spot. But as you can see, I don't have any. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this formula. You're gonna wanna pick it up, then make a left, then put it down, make another left, then put the right side back up, then make 2 rights until the white comes on to the 2 pieces, then bring it back down. Now you can see we have 2 pieces. We have 2 pieces. So now we can carry on to getting all of our colors. Now we will do the same formula. As you can see, just do the same formula. Didn't work. So if it doesn't work, you're gonna want to do this formula. You're gonna want to push it 180 down, so that will go up. Then you're gonna want to do the right formula 2 times, and there you go. We have a cross, yellow cross. So now we are going to retry what we did, and this time it should work. And as you can see, we have got all the colors according to their sides. Now we will be solving corners. So as you can see right here, we will be solving the yellow side. So we have to find 3 corners. And same as how we did the white part, we're gonna have to find them according to their color. So blue, you got blue right there, and red, you got red right there. So now you're gonna want to do the Papa Nicholas. And as you can see, we got the blue. So for this side though, you might only get 1. But if you do get 1, that's okay, because it's like what you're supposed to get. Now you're just gonna want to find the same thing and keep on going. See, we got yellow this time. So now I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Just gotta find the according colors. And if you see 2 together, then you're gonna want to switch to it. Then you want to put it to the right and do the same Papa Nicholas. And as you can see now, this is how you want it to be. Even if it's not like this, sometimes it'll be that, oh, this whole thing is solved, this whole top layer solved, but only 2 of these are solved and only 2 of these are solved. But to check that, check if that's correct, you're gonna want to see if these colors are correct. Like you have green here, there should be green here, and you have orange here, there should be orange here, and you have blue here, there should be blue here, you have red here, there should be red here. So now you're actually gonna want to flip your cube, and now you're going to do the right angle until you get the yellow corner at its spot, and you're going to want to pull it down. And now once you solve it, you're going to have to pull the top right, only once though. And now you're going to want to wait until your yellow comes right here, the yellow's right here, and do the same thing. And then as you can see, we have solved the cube. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this helps you to learn how to solve it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.